Hey, welcome back to my channel. My name is Pam. I'm from Pamela's Creations. And I'm here today to do a Monvict 24-piece jewelry making toolkit that was sent to me to do a product review. So I want to welcome all my new subscribers and my returning subscribers for taking this time to watch my video. I hope you all are having a great Monday. So happy Monday, everyone. So let's get started. I'm going to put you on pause and I'm going to open the box. All right, everyone, this is how it was sent to me, wrapped and in a plastic bag. So let's take it out. I like the Ziploc bag. I reuse these for packaging, so. And I reuse the box too. And that's what it says. Jewelry making toolkit. Okay, so it comes in this zipper bag, like so. I like that. It's very good material. Very good, stiff. And it has the handle so you can carry it. Wow. So let's span it out a little bit. So it first comes with some elastic cord, some beading wire. I like that. And gold beading wire. Oh, I didn't know it came with this. So, sorry everyone, my camera got shut off, but what I was showing you in the box is I took everything out and I was talking and it wasn't filming. So it came with, everything was nicely packaged in here. And it came with the needles to do beading. Measuring tape. The elastic to make bracelets, or you can make bracelets, whatever, with these. Beading wires on both. Very nice. A measuring tool. You can measure your beads, whatever. I sometimes use these, so just to have. Tweezers, scissors, reaming tool. This is for your jump ring. I think these are for the needles. So this is nice to use, so we'll be using that. And I like the grips on these. These are very nice. Tough. I'm gripping it hard. Right there. So what I did is I made one of these. It was on camera when I thought my video was recording. So I made one of these real quick. So what we're going to do is we're going to make a dangle, because I've made a bunch of pokey tools. So I thought I'd take this opportunity to make a quick dangle with you guys. And I brought it in my bead case here. Just some of my beads anyway. And my jump rings. my eye pins and my regular head pins right there. And then I have a little crown in here. So we're going to make a quick dangle. So I'm going to get my magnifying glass because my eyes, and I'll be right back. All right, everyone. So I'm just going to do a quick demonstration on these. I'm not going to use all of them, just mainly the tool part. Maybe I'll use this. I never usually use these, but we'll try it out anyways. So we're going to get our head pin here. Let's see if I can get you in here a little bit more without, see if the lighting is okay. I'm really working on the lighting, guys. It's been a struggle. So we're going to get our head pin like so. And we're going to find, right now I'm making pokey tools, so I'm going to use the one that goes with the one I'm making at this particular point. We'll make a dangle with it. And we're just going to use some, also use a spacer like that. Okay, maybe something like this. Well, the lighting is... So what do you think? It's like a gray and a white type. So what we're going to do is I'm going to see how much I want to cut. Maybe I just take my thumb. And we're going to use these cutters here to try it out. Let's see here, maybe about that. And it snaps right off. Oh, I maybe did a little too... Oh, that snapped right off. That's good. I kind of am... There we go. I don't know where that flew at. Well, hopefully no one will step on it. So we're going to take our pliers here, round nose. Okay, and I just usually fold it down like that. And we're just going to, you know, just make a little eye thing. Like so. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to put a little charm on the bottom of this. So I thought I'd use this crown. And like so. And we're going to put that on. And let's see, here's our dangle that we're making. I'm just going to use this. You can just use this too. Oops. Find the hole and just kind of close it up. I like to use both. So here it is, the dangle I made. Real quick, real easy. You can put it on any part of the dangle. Let's turn it around real quick and put it over here. I like using these too, the pliers. And I just use my finger normally and just close it like so. So there it is. Pretty dangle. So I like this toolkit. It's handy. It's like a travel type kit. I really like it. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to link this item down below in the description box so you guys can check it out if you like. If you can give me a thumbs up, I greatly appreciate it. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I really like the handles on these. These are really nice. So if you like, leave a comment. Let me know what you think. And share me out if you haven't already. I greatly appreciate it. All right, everyone. I hope you take care, stay safe, and as always, God bless. Bye.